Hello, this is Steffi and babies. Right now you just see Jacqueline Rose. And I just think she's so cute. I love this onesie, I just can't help it. And it's really rainy out. It's 4th of July, happy Independence Day, I guess. And we're supposed to be going to see fireworks tonight, but it's raining and it's still wicked early. But you never know, my luck is just my luck these days. But anyways, here's Jacqueline Rose. She is wearing this, I don't even know what the brand is, caterpillar onesie with these striped mittens, scratch mittens. And I like it because it's kind of familiar, I don't know, pastel-y colors or something. They match a bit. But that red or purple is not that dark. And she's wearing this, she has this pacifier, the little bear on it. I don't know what brand it is. I'm getting a pink bow. And she's barefooted. Look at those cute little feet. And toes. Anyways, here's Alexander in the boppy. And he's got pinstripes on. I don't know if I showed you him in this outfit. I think I did. But it doesn't matter. He's still so cute. And Noah is just decking out this summer outfit that's just warm and comfy. He's being Mr. Comfy today. He's got his keys, of course. Sorry if I make you dizzy. And there comes Kaylee. She looks so cute. And she's wearing this little dress, brown dress, corduroy or something, I'm not sure, with flowers on it, pink. I think it's pink, yellow, and like a blue. So I put this pink bow that Garla gave us, and these cute yellow socks. I don't have many outfits that will match those socks, but I like the socks. I like the color. I don't know, I just like this color. And yeah, she's got her passy here. It's pinkish, so she doesn't need it. But if she does, it's there. She looks so cute. Alright, well, that's it. Thanks for watching.